Hey guys, Evan the Trader here. So most traders only see the result and don't understand what happens before they press buttons. So in this video today, I'll walk you through two real trades step by step. The logic, entry, exit, and key mistakes. So if you're interested in understanding the market rather than guessing its direction, the link to my Telegram channel is in the description. There I will show real trades and entry logic every day. So let's move on to the screen. Okay, so the first thing I want to note is how we choose the currency pair. I already talked about this in a previous video. We look at the percentage and the profitability. So if it's above 85 to 95%, that's very good. If it's less than 80%, again, I wouldn't recommend risking it. See for yourself, the income rate right here is utterly horrible. So that is, we work with proven pairs that provide stable profit. So what do we do first off? Once we've chosen our currency pair, we look at the hourly chart. This is classic. But again, you can see an uptrend, actually a very strong ascending trend. And this level is an extremely strong uptrend. You can see that it has already reached its maximum and still is continuing upward. So let's look at the 1 second impulses. The impulse pauses a little. As you can see, it's moving slightly like a breakout upward, but again, it reached this level and now it's gradually moving down. But this is just like a dynamic oscillation. So let's check the minute chart. It fluctuates within a minute or so. There is a slight decrease, but overall there's a pulsation upward. Let's check the hour chart. There's nowhere to rush. So it went higher and higher and reached this maximum. So as you can see here, the chart is clear and understandable. Let's also check the day chart. The day chart, why not? So yeah, it reached this maximum and now it's just fluctuating in the middle somewhere here. There is a chance that it will break out higher, but if we check the minute chart, there is a downward impulse, and I think that soonly enough we will open an order. So how did I choose this pair? High profitability, clear chart, obvious trend. It's important to understand the chart. If you see high consolidation, false breakouts, constantly changing situations, just don't risk it. Don't enter. Select more reliable currency pairs because you really need to clearly see the market structure, levels, impulses, and pullbacks. For example, you see this, here's a double bottom, which is forming, reaching this peak and then fluctuating. So I believe it'll go to this level and then move further, so we can open a trade. But before entering, an important point is to understand when to enter. We've identified the trend. Firstly, it's an upward trend. Support levels, resistance levels. Here is the resistance level, and here are the support levels. So again, a pullback to a level, it's a small correction that should go up from here. This is a pullback to a level. Candle behavior, again, small candles indicate slowing down. A wick downward, sellers pushed but couldn't hold it, like here for example. That's a good signal for a reversal upward, and now it's very clear. So the logic is understandable. A picture is forming on different parts of the chart and we can draw conclusions. The entry point, again, don't rush. Wait until the candle touches at least slightly below. It will dip and I will open a trade. Don't rush, because now the behavior is pulsating down, up, and the key moment is that we can open a buy right now and just wait. I think it will go upward because I see the long like tail of the candle and the situation is gradually going higher. We opened the trade, looked at the level of this candle. The current trend is upward. There's a slight pullback, but I think it won't break through. It shouldn't break. Three consecutive bullish candles shouldn't break downward at least. The trend still aims upward, so with a slight pullback, we entered the trade confidently heading upward. So again, I won't close anything manually. I'm just waiting for the situation to develop. Maybe there will be some volatility. The price might dip, but then it will rise again without forming a large downward candle. So we entered based on the trend, and after pullback, it's simple. We did it. As you can see, we closed with good profit. So it's very important to understand these moments. For example, what mistakes could I have made? For example, if I entered too early, if I saw this level and just opened based on the upward trend, no, I waited until it dipped a little and then opened. Now you can also wait until this candle becomes slightly larger and triggers the upward correction. We trade according to the trend, not guessing on short time frames, okay? Just now, it's okay to open, so nothing terrible. This candle is pulsating. I think it will reach this level, and during the time we set, it will go up. So let's watch the volatility. The chart is very clear. We identified the trend, entered after a pullback, and we're just gonna wait for the result. Everything still aims at this level right now. I'll draw our level and see how it moved. Now it's going further with a large wick. I think we will close probably in small profit, but definitely in profit. Right now, everything is heading toward this level. It reached a bit lower here. Again, look at the candle behavior. Do you see? And we have two successful trades in a row. As you can see, overall, I'm still waiting for the price near this level. Now it's going up very rapidly. I could have waited for a more obvious reverse candle before entering, but I was a bit risky, but I was confident because I am trading according to the trend and I trust the candle behavior here. So also perhaps the expiration date time, was too short. Like 1 minute might be okay, but for pulls, 2-3 minutes is better. So you can also play with this. The price could easily move away. This is a very important point as well. So again, I act with too much confidence sometimes. That can be perceived as overconfidence, but I see the trend, mark levels, and understand that the level could be broken, false breakout, or go like sideways. Always leave room for error, but we base our strategy on entering according to the trend and levels. The chart helps us, and we are not clicking buttons randomly. That's very crucial. In conclusion, guys, I want to emphasize that a profitable trade is not just about pressing the right buttons. Before entering, you must determine the pair, check its chart, check the profitability levels. This is key. Analyze the trend, levels, candle behavior, look at different time frames, set your timing, and analyze your entry. Even after successful trades, they should be reviewed afterward. You saw that I closed 2 successful trades and then analyzed what I could have done better. It's an important moment. If you learn to analyze your trades thoroughly, your level as a trader will only improve. It's important, and you will work consistently in profit. As I said, it reached this level and continues upward. There's a clear uptrend. So in general, it's simple. Just analyze and understand the chart. Our 2 successful trades are proof of that. I'm glad you joined me today and see you in the next videos. Bye bye.